Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this eye makeup look. I'm gonna list all the products that I used on the description down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can support me, and I'm gonna start, trying to upload more videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so I already did my left eye off camera. This is the look that I'm gonna show you guys. I wasn't really sure of what I wanted to do for this video, so I kind of played along before I went ahead and recorded anything. First thing you want to do is prime your lid. I use the soft ochre paint pot from MAC. I already did that, and once you do that, you might want to set your primer, and then I'm gonna be using the ANASTASIA Subculture Palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with Dawn. Dawn is just gonna be like a really light transition shade. I'm not really gonna go into it and use it all the time, but I'm just gonna go back and forth motions just so you get a really soft color on to your upper crease. And I'm sorry if I don't talk a lot. It's been a long time since I actually did a tutorial, so please bear with me. And just once again, you just really want to blend everything so it looks really nice. Okay, so once you're done doing that, I'm gonna go in with Fudge. I'm gonna put it on the outside corner and then just blend it into your inner corner, and just keep going back and forth motions until everything is nice and blended to your liking. So once you're done with that, I'm gonna go back into my ochre paint pot, and I'm just gonna use a brush, a flat brush. I use this to put on my concealer, and I'm gonna start creating a crease. So I'm gonna be applying a lighter color, and I just kind of want it to pop. So I'm gonna start in the center right here. You can kind of just look to see where your crease starts, and I'm gonna bring it all the way in. And you can add as much product as you need. So once you have that on, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get another flat brush, and back to that same palette, I'm gonna use this orangey yellow. It's called New Wave, and I'm just gonna put that on my flat brush, and I'm gonna start on the outer corner or outer crease of what we created, and I'm just gonna tap, and I'm just gonna work it mid-lid. So I'm not gonna go all the way to my inner corner. And now once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and grab another flat brush. You can use the same one, you can just dust off the color. I'm gonna go into this color right here, Edge, and I'm gonna go start right here and pat it all the way to my inner corner. Okay, so once you're done doing that, your eye's basically gonna look like this. I'm gonna go back to the blending brush. This is actually the brush that came with the palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blending the outer crease with that orangey color, just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it in a little bit. That way it blends with the other colors. Okay, so once you're done applying that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with an angled brush. Any angled brush that you have can work. Excuse my hair, I'm in the process of getting ready. And I'm gonna go back to that same palette, and I'm gonna use Electric. Electric is like a yellow-green foiled color. It's really pretty. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is where I created that crease, I'm gonna go ahead and apply just the line of it, and it's gonna change the look up a lot. And you're gonna have to do this more than once, just because feel like the color doesn't come off as vibrant as it does on the palette. Once you get that, I'm gonna go back with just any like little small fluffy brush. I'm gonna use the one that came with the palette, and I'm gonna go back into electric, and I'm gonna use this for my inner corner. Next, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply some eyeliner, and this is the NYC liquid liner. So once you've done your wing liner, I'm just gonna go ahead and add mascara, and I'm using the Colossal Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. This is legit the best mascara out there. So once you do that, you can go ahead and apply some false lashes. Probably wear it without lashes just because my eyelashes are already pretty long. So I'm just gonna start working on the rest of my face. I am gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I am in the shade Y315 through 15. I'm just gonna shake this bad boy. I'm just gonna squeeze some. This shit's not coming out, y'all. I really hate the pumps for Makeup Forever. Like, I hate it. I feel like a lot of the product stays in there, and like once you're low, like you can't get anything out. I'm just gonna grab a damp beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques one. Just gonna grab it, and I'm gonna start applying my foundation. Okay, next I'm just gonna go in with some concealer to brighten my under eyes. And I'm gonna be using the Maybelline, what is this one? The FitMe. And then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewing in Neutralizer. These are the bomb. I'm gonna go in with some setting powder, and I like using the MERCIER. And with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna go in there. And I like to leave that there for a second. While that bakes, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my contour. For contour, I'm gonna be using my Hoola Bronzer. Now I'm just gonna dust off the excess powder. You can also use the excess powder just to set the rest of your face. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my glow kit from Anastasia, and this is the Sun Dipped one. And I'm gonna get a big old fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go into the first one right here. It's called Bronzed. And apply that on my cheeks. And also a little bit on my forehead, temples. And I also like to use some on my nose, on the side. I feel like it just gives you like nice little glow to your nose. And if you're like me and you always end up doing more than what you need to, you can clean up with some setting powder. Just draw a little line. And you can let it sit for a little bit and then just dust it off, and it'll do the job. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the eyes. I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go back to that glow kit, and I'm gonna go in the shade Summer. And I'm gonna apply that on the brow bone just to give my brow bone some highlight. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but I like to glow. Who doesn't? If you don't like to glow, I don't know what's wrong with you. But we ain't doing that here. I'm gonna go ahead and just use some on my cheeks. Going back, it's the same on Summer. I'm just gonna highlight. Oh my gosh. I feel like I always do too much of it. But it's like, I feel like you can do less. You know, like too much is better. And I'm gonna do the tip of my nose. Cupid's bow. Some on forehead. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of the eyes. I'm gonna go into New Wave. I'm gonna grab this one and start working under my eye. I almost forgot to mention that I did use fudge on the outer lash line and just blended that with the yellow color that I used. I'm gonna grab a black eyeliner and apply that to my waterline. Now I'm just gonna dust off that powder. I almost forgot about it. And I'm gonna apply mascara to my lower lashes. Last but not least, I'm gonna do my lips finally. I am gonna use the NYX lip liner in color Nutmeg. I'm sure you guys, if you've seen my other videos, I have this on my previous videos. And I'm gonna use for lips, I'm gonna use Nude Embrace number 650 from Maybelline. It's just a pretty nude color. Y'all, I swear, everybody thinks making YouTube videos is easy as shit, but it's not. It's hard. You have to put so much work into them. I've literally been filming for, what, 53 minutes? And I'm still not done. Anyway, I'm gonna line my lips. I kind of feel like I want a little bit of gloss on my lips. You don't have to do this, but lately I feel like my lips have been chapped and it just feels super dry. So I'm just gonna use some clear lip gloss, and this is from L'Oreal. I feel like I can't say stuff in English. Okay, and last step for this look, for every look actually, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay. I forget what these are called. Oh yes, the all-nighter. And I'm just gonna shake it up, and it's really hydrating. I like it. This one's the Cooling and Hydrating. It's oil-free, paraben-free, temperature-controlled technology. I like it so far. It works great. It actually does like just make your makeup stay all night, and it makes it look like you don't have a cake face on. So I think that's always a plus. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I'll see you guys in a bit.